United Committee Manipur urges 60 state MLAs to take a joint decision for protection of states' territorial integrity during an exclusive assembly session to be held on August 16. Security measures tighten in Imphal city ahead of India's Independence Day in the wake of several underground outfits boycotting the day. Tangkhul community protests killing of Kaishing Y Shimre last night. TKLI demands government to arrest culprits within 48 hours. One-day stakeholders interface with bankers aims to ease financial plight of farmers and entrepreneurs by establishing cordial relation between banks and stakeholders. And 10-day-long 5th Pineapple Fair kicks off at Thayong village in Lamlai constituency today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. United Committee Manipur has urged for a joint decision of the 60 state MLAs to protect the territorial integrity of the state during the assembly session to be held on August 16. It further urged for a joint resolution to demand separation from the Indian Union if the government of India acts against the interests of the people of Manipur. A protest meet in this regard was jointly staged by market vendors of Pishu Market and Salai Apunba Nupi Lamjing Loop at Chinga Imoinu Market, Pisum Thong today. Taking part in the sit-in, Secretary General of UCM Khuraijam Athoba sternly disapproved extension of Article 371 Clause A in Manipur upon reaching a conclusion to the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. Athoba said news is in the air that Indo-Naga Framework Agreement is reaching its climax soon. He reiterated that no separate administration or arrangement which poses any threat to Manipur's territorial integrity can be enforced in the state. Athoba warned of befitting actions against any threats or divisive forces. The Secretary General of UCM also warned of even graver incident than that of June 18, 2001 incident in order to protect the state and hence urged the 60 MLAs to take a joint decision in the upcoming exclusive assembly session on August 16. Protesters chanted various slogans in support of their demand during the sit-in.
India government na nation IM ga chathari badung loba Naga Peace Accord sigi waroi lakpa matamda Manipur gi territory gi manungda kariguma makhal amatagi arrangement administration da oisunu any kind of policy Manipur manungda yabu sunga yaro lakadoriba August ki tang 13 ta phamgadoriba adugum loba assembly session na sida Manipur gi representative humphuna wareb lobu matamda karigumba nation IM amadin India government ani gi marakta sanagadoriba losalakadoriba wareba sigi poloya sida Manipur gi interest manungda changjalakna Manipur ki boundary manungda ware blok pataragade ngasigi house na member humphuna ware akan ware mom logi gadabni hai ware badudi kaino Indiana Manipur miyam gi hul khana karigumba policy lokthokta pataragade Manipur gi assembly gi house na akoi India dagi to khaina tajaragani hai bo ware base assembly gi house na logodabni hujik lairi ba akoi gi miur humphu asida da chap chaba June 19 da thokiba thogdogado madudagi saruk chan na hena chawba paratambi.
A sit-in was staged against disintegration of Manipur in Thoubal Market today. Many students took part in the protest meet staged under the initiative of AMSU, Thoubal District Committee, UPF, Imam Manipur and Thoubal Kaithel Apunbalup. Taking part in the protest meet, President of United People Front Manipur, W. Second, said conclusion to the framework agreement signed between the Indian government and the NSCN IM is welcomed. However, the finalization of the agreement should not disintegrate Manipur at any cost. Various organizations in Palel also staged a sit-in against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur by blocking half of Imphal Mori Road passing through Palel Market today. The protesters asserted that people of the state cannot accept the Indian government trying to coax an ASEAN-IM by implementing Article 371 Clause A in Manipur to subjugate the state. Various placards were used during the protest meet. Inhabitants of Urembam and Patsoi also staged a sit-in at Patsoi Unikhong Market against disintegration of Manipur by Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and extension of Article 371 Clause A in Manipur. The protesters also demanded to immediately bring resolution to Manipur University impasse and Indo-Myanmar border dispute. Students of Oriental College staged a sit-in protest at their college gate today, demanding dismissal of the Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor A.P. Pandey, and declaration of their semester results. General Secretary of the college, A. Abung, asserted the students of the college would join hands with student organizations like MSU, AIMS, DESAM, KSA, MSF and SUK in the ongoing agitations if semester results remain undeclared till the second week of August.
Agitation changsilibas chhatra singbu anti national oina ubiduna sasan phubu dongna phubiba masi akhoi chhatra singna yengba ngamde hoji hoji oiriba Manipur University gi BCAP Pandey asi lautoktrabadi amadi haidoktana leiriba semester singi exam asi haidok taba taragadi akhoi Oriental College na akanma mongda agitation kya changsanaba sem saba loijare.
Security measures are beefed up in Imphal city ahead of India's Independence Day celebration on August 15 in the wake of several underground outfits boycotting the day. A team of Imphal West Commando Unit led by OCP Achauba under the supervision of SP Imphal West Jogesh Chandra Haubijam conducted cordon and search operations since 4:30 this morning at Yai School, Janmastan. Altogether, 300 individuals, including both men and women, were verified during the operation. 8 individuals, including a non-local without proper identification documents, were apprehended and were handed over to Imphal West Police Station for further verification. Door-to-door frisking operations were also conducted at various places nearby Yai School. Cordon and such operations are reported to be continued in various other places of Imphal Valley ahead of the day.
Lagliba khogi 15 August ka mari lenana adagi kauriba ban general strike mari lenana any unwanted elements ina thoning da thodoma bok thok tanaba akoi masigi damukta section thorang lokhut ta boina akoi dum tawjabani mapan dagi laga non local sing mafam sidai lairiba sing asijo kanana karamba lamdagi no kari da leibino kari tawribano haibdu akoi munna changnaina verification tawjari unwanted any bailout na singba aduga han underground yoramba sing aduga topa lamdagi laga mafam sida maram leitana leisalamba asigumba kaya amasu akoina Imphal West District Police na district asigi akoibda leiba mafam singda leptana changnaina cordon and search operation akoi chathari.
On the other hand, proscribed outfit Kangleipak Communist Party Military Council, in a press release, boycotted the 72nd Independence Day to be celebrated in the state on 15th of August and appealed to the public not to participate in the celebration. The press release further accused the Indian government for adopting colonial form of governance despite professing democracy and blamed the same for various Indo-Kanglai armed and geopolitical confrontation issues emerging in the state. A team of Commando Thobal arrested 4 individuals involved in vehicle theft around 7 last evening. The team, led by additional SP Operations Sachidananda Soibam and OC Inspector and Sadananda, under the supervision of SP Thobal IPS S. Gautam, apprehended the culprits from Lilong Bazaar near Alia Lamkhai. The arrested individuals are identified as Muhammad Y. Mohsin, 20 years, son of Y. Nurzaman from Lilong Awang Lekai; M. Nawaz, 20 years, son of M. Abdul Salam from Lilong Awang Lekai; and Muhammad Zabir Khan, 20 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar from Lilong, Hauraibi, Awanglegai. A stolen Maruti Alto bearing registration number MN02G0109 was seized from them. After further interrogation, another vehicle lifter identified as Muhammad Sabir Ahmed, alias Thero, 35 years, son of late Muhammad Samiruddin from Lilong, Hauraibi, Makhalekai, was also arrested in possession of a stolen two-wheeler, a Honda Dio, with registration number MN02G3401. Various organizations of Tangkhul community protested today against the killing of Kaishing Y. Shimre, 37 years, son of Y.S. Mashangai from Tainam village in Ukhrul district. Despite 24-hour security and CCTV camera in front of Manipur State Assembly Complex gate, some unknown individuals killed Kaishing Y. Shimre and left his body near the brick wall of Lilashing Khongnangkhong High School last night. Sit-in condemning the murder was held in front of Tangkhul Baptist Church in Chingmairong today. Taking part in the protest meet, spokesperson of Tangkhul Katamnao Long Imphal, Racing AC, intimated that Kaishing Y. Shimre, who works at TRI Chingmairong, was a resident of Thangmaiban, Sinamlekai. He said Shimre went out to buy some groceries from his rental residence last evening. However, he failed to return home and police patrolling team recovered his body around 8:30 last night. Racing said as per the police reports, Shimre sustained head injury and there was a blood-stained stone next to his body. The spokesperson of TKLI questioned how such brutal killing can occur in a 24-hour security zone. He warned of not claiming the body kept in Rim's morgue until the culprit are arrested. Racing warned the state government to arrest the culprit within 48 hours, failing which he warns of intense tensions between inhabitants of the hills and the valley.
Ikoina 48 hours madam bigni government of Manipur na book taubi deba justice bureau bidradi ikoina henna job education type of education taugrani moreover organization mayam chingda leiriba atop da leiriba tam da leiriba organization effect all these NGOs mayam ko nap tauraga koi achawa movement amasi lakrani.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Agar Wood Saplings Plantation Drive, jointly carried by Editors Guild Manipur and Socio-Economic and Environment Development Society on Mangra Hillock in Sangaitel today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Editors Guild Manipur and Socio-Economic and Environment Development Society seats jointly carried out Agar Wood Saplings Plantation under the aegis of the Forest and Environment Department on Mangra Hillock in Sangaitel today. The Agar Wood saplings were planted as part of state government's initiative to plant Agar Wood saplings at different districts of the state to improve the environment as well as to reap financial benefits when the saplings mature. Speaking on the sidelines of the tree plantation event held on the motto "Plant for Your Future," Forest Minister Shyam Kumar stressed the need to nurture the tree saplings planted today and further assured of all assistance from the department to ensure the same. Chairman of Manipur Tourism Corporation Limited, Sapam Ranjan, called on the need to improve the environment as well as to identify exclusive sites for tourism spots. President of Editors Guild Manipur, Khogendra Khomdram, asserted that it is everyone's responsibility to improve the environment and hence the tree planting drive was carried out.
Haiba agar plantation nasi 6 to 7 years 8 years manungda pambi mada 30,000 to 1 lakh ada kayungba success or mai pa kanda lakun bahut mai phangba sum plan makhalami tharibse kanja tharamba popi tharamba mayam si haidala kanda sumba tung koina environment ngakpa plan se koi thaba koi editors guild ki mayam se koi punna थामिनबनी अतोप कंट्री सिंगना अगर सि एक्सेप्ट तौर मोदी लौगे हाबगे लेगे हाबे एग्रीमेंट दी कोई ला संगाई फेस्टिवल दा एमओयू मा साइन तौना खरे अदुगी स्कीम दुई मखा दोसि थाबे हरपने
tourism aspect so akoi sigi jaga ji adum yengbu so khoi pum yengminaba kan so sigi surroundings yam phajabani na sigi so potential sum akoi kari kari legi edu explore tawna na beda makta koi adum hona jage na je
hoji u thabi program khatna te akoi se mathang mathang lak tori si mayam gi santhok lambi ju oiba yaba adi pura makta kana han ba solar pa ama sa uriba mangi thian da solar pa ama yam mathu matam na madu gi thorang dore madu so solar park to so hawrani ngoroi na ngasi mapung na u thari ba ko tabak sida Usar sing se akoi Department of Forest na PB program se maroi na Director of Environment na ade akoi SITS ne EGM ne punna sinmin raga pangthok pani
Imphal East District Police, in collaboration with Mahabali Kabui Youth Club, carried out a cleanliness drive in and around Mahabali Kabui village and cleaned up Imphal riverbanks today. The cleanliness drive was carried out with the assistance of Corporator of Imphal Municipal Council Ward number 19 and social worker H. Vikramjit. Speaking to media persons, additional SP operation of Imphal East District stated that the drive served the dual purpose of building good relations between the people and the police ahead of the Independence Day and to maintain cleanliness. He also said such drive would be organized in different parts of the state. President of Mahabali Kabui Youth Club appreciated the efforts of the police for organizing such events and urged the authorities concerned to tend to the deteriorating Mahabali forest.
Mosalakpa tatuk tasinde yana pharak tarakpa oiba masi pulaga khoi social service ama khoi ngasi organize tawbani lakadoriba Independence Day ga mari alainana sanitize tawbusu oiba aduga lamda masibu luna nana thamnabagi maram oirakanda Mahabali gi manungda lairiba jungle gi saru khara jo khoi jungle cutting tawjai masi mamang da su kodong thiba pamda thokdo kaya ama thokrabani alonana khoi gi civil amasu police ki marakta afaba mari thamnabagi damakta sinjaba adugumba program amani
Masina social work tawrise asina ahan bani hype tare surrounding palace compound laibi ba ima event isina marum pang punamaki mafam lesu aina apil ma tawjari Mahabali lambi sida phatta haudi mayam se asida hundopi gunu haina miyam gi mafam da khongjok seri
Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and the Agriculture Department organized a one-day stakeholders interface with bankers at Classic Hotel today. The discussion meet was held to facilitate farmers and entrepreneurs of the state. Speaking to media persons, Director of the Agriculture Department P.H. Rajendra highlighted the financial constraints faced by farmers and the entrepreneurs. He said the main objective of the discussion meet was to establish a cordial relation between banks and stakeholders comprising of farmers and entrepreneurs to ease their plights in availing financial aids to boost their ventures. The director also said banks have now come up with various schemes for farmers and other stakeholders to empower them. Representatives of various banks, farmers and other stakeholders took part in a discussion program.
Manipur da lariba entrepreneurs mayam aduga maroina small and marginal farmer mayam sina tawriba thabak activity mayam side da koina support obinaba si financial support pibinaba si khara watpa gi maram moidana koina koi hoji hoji si mayam ne khangnari baduni ai sir tonga tonga makal gi line department mayam sin paikhaleba activity mayam si lomi gi welfare gi damakta si koi gi Manipur lomi sing si di lomi masa haiba tai paisa ji am waba aduga even low si sangam u da ho mi ngondagi atopa land owners ti wairaga tau badum longmi ma to oibanina ngasi si loinamak si bank ki kangbo si kauraji aduga khoi mayam si interact tawrsi adun moina to piba ba advantage pudong saw mayam si facility mayam si bank side gi khoi ji khanara kanda longmi sing si Manipur gi longmi sing promote tawje na khoi maruina ngasi mi si mikhal ji pangthok sabani
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council will present an exclusive Sumang Lila performance entitled Maraipak Ningba Koireng Sana at Iboyama Sumang Lila Shanglane in commemoration of Patriots Day on August 13. Speaking to media persons at the council's office today, lifetime Secretary General of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council S. Hemanta said the 7th performance of the council to be participated by many renowned artists will be a special one. He said the play will portray the turbulent relationship that existed among the royal princes and its consequences leading to the annexation of Manipur by the Indian Union. He also said free entry cards will be available in advance for the show.
Iramdam lamdam masida uji oiriba samesya sing ase ngasi ngarang do oirakpa nate matam madudagi laktunu oikrabani aduna laibak tiba thongdok kaya thokiba singdo iremdam asibu kannana bohonabada Manipur sanale paki ngamkhai asi ngakna bohonabada mangkibani aikoi ngamkhai ase tarai na thadokba phatte aikoi ngamkhai asi kannana bohonabada aikoi khudimangna thawai tharabasu pamuroidabani aikoi ngamkhai gi damakta hingadabani iramdam gi damakta hingadabani imalai pang Manipur gi seba tawba haibase aikoi mipung khudimak praja section khudimakta simbam tongan na paina leiriba Manipur gi miyam khudimakta aikoi iramdam nungsiba leigadabani haibase miyamda appeal tawjaba sumang lilani marai pakning bakoirang sana.
Mummy Artists Association celebrated its second foundation day with many budding and veteran Sumanglila artists of Manipur today. Speaking at the event held at Kiamgai Haibong Makhong Community Hall, former Minister Dr. M. Nara stated that Shumang Lila is a unique art form recognized all across the globe. He applauded the contributions of the artists and aided that Shumang Lila educates the people of the state on various issues pertaining to the state. He intimated that he had given his approval to turn Lidisigi Gulab, adapted from his poem, to be made into an English film. The association felicitated Director of Mummy Artists Association, Narendra Ningomba, and other artists on the occasion.
Ano mayam thore sibu sibai kudam Sumanglila siro kare hena standardized the way to be sigile mayam sigi wakadagi ano ba idea karpi bida maram di culture di kajong ita stagnant oiba yaddi punsigi siala mani madugi manung da koi tawdari bani Sumanglila gi sian lepan ba yaddi maram aduna modernity amasung tradition madugi phajaba satam maduda tindana chatta ba yaddi. That is what Sumanglila is today.
The 5th Pineapple Fair, to be observed for 10 days, kicked off at Thayong village in Lamlai constituency today. Progressive Farmer Society Thayong has organized a fair to enhance the income of pineapple farmers and to promote the Q variety of pineapple which is indigenous to the state. Chief Editor of Morning Bell, Laimayum Bashanta, Chief of Thayong village, M. Dalamthong, Pradhan of Takhel Gram Panchayat Moirangthem Ningthem, Pradhan of Sawombung Gram Panchayat Ningthaujam Dhaneshwar, and other eminent officials attended the launching program. Speaking on the occasion, sponsor Mongjam Poirai Henba lamented that Thayong village is renowned for its pineapple. However, the remote location of the village and lack of adequate attention from the government has been a great source of discouragement for the pineapple farmers of the village. Also speaking on the occasion, Chief Editor of Morning Bell, Laimayum Basanta, expressed disappointment at the lack of attention given to the Pineapple Fair and urged to the people to fully utilize the benefits and schemes initiated by the government to promote and encourage the farmers. Villagers performed their traditional Kom community dance and songs at the event.
Bangta Pangdabna Maram Borkanda, Atopa Mapamsin, Hena Pajakiba, Hena Popular Oigiba, Ekoigishinasum, Tangisum Handoba, Ojiksi, Hena Pestibians in Lay Haraganda, Wigi, Public Silla, Quisangazi Walakba, Tayongi Sinau Singa, Hena Pazana Shemningiba, a stone Pazahaniba, platform Pazahaniba, Aduga Geraris, the Shemningiba, Kuding Maktu, Maduga Sangbas, Ventisardo, a Putoxa, Kundagi, Muhena Santoxipian, they have to Mayam Tambirano.
Marang Kairabal and the Mamangasi, Koila, Karina Ban Brokena, Queen Hajabana, Queen Panjabana, Akogi, Ranti, Tovidiba, losing passing governments in political will power Yao, the Vanakoyansi Lion. Hives, Kong and Agamata, Nasi Sinbiba, Progressive Farmer Society Tayuna. A so good dedication, commitment in a Tabako Winava project, Shambata, proposals to Pangabona Bada, Adugamadu Tanana, one of the projects have a Hividam the BI, technical know how, Lavidam the BI, Madugi support today, Pemiam Chielaga, Togzagi.
Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights has expressed discontentment for not arresting one Haigrujam Chittaranjan, 30 years, son of M. Munal from Andhro Kunaulaikai, who served in the Indian Army for alleging raping a minor. The forum in a press release said an FIR under POCSO Act was filed against Chittaranjan, but Women Police Station Imphal East has failed to arrest him despite passing 30 days after the incident. The forum also intimated that the victim's family was even approached to compromise the matter under the customary law. The forum drew the attention of Chief Minister, Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Manipur State Commission for Women to intervene and deliver justice without further delay. JAC against the custodial killing of 5 Manipuris, namely G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy, T.H. Satish, Thongnaujam Prem, R.K. Ranal and Pijam Naubi, along with Slimpal and Sluko, today staged a sit-in at Khan Naurem Lekai, Pechu Lampak and Kakwa Naurem Lekai against the alleged cold murder carried out by the personnel of 3 Corps Intelligence and Surveillance Units of the Indian Army. It may be recalled that G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy, former Assistant Publicity Secretary of Prescribed Outfit PLA, was picked up by a group of unidentified individuals from Dimapur on August 18, 2011 and has remained untraceable till date. However, as per the court affidavit submitted by one Lieutenant Colonel and Commanding Officer of 3 CISU unit of M Sector Imphal on July 20 this year, to the High Court of Manipur, Gypsy was killed by 3 CISU unit and his body was buried behind the unit's mess at Rangapahar Army Cantonment in Dimapur. The affidavit further disclosed that 3 CISU also arrested Thangjam Satish, a student of TDC second year of St. Dominic College in Shillong, and was killed in the jungles of Mashimpur on February 5 of 2010. And 3 other Manipuri youths, namely Pijam Naubi, R.K. Ranel and Thongnaujam Prem on March 10, 2010 from their rental residences in Dimapur and were killed after severe torture behind the army's mess. Decomposed remains of the missing persons were later discovered at Lakhijam area under Bokajan police station of Karbi Anglong. The JAC has demanded to hand over the mortal remains of G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy and T.H. Satish to investigate extrajudicial execution of the 5 Manipuris by CBI or SIT, to repeal Apaswa from Manipur, to award befitting punishment to the army officials and other associates involved in the murders, and demanded the state government to urge the centre to deliver justice to the victims. Awang Nongpok Nupi Lamjinglup in a press release strongly condemned the cold-blooded murders of G. Nileshwar Sharma from Nagamapal, Sinjubang, T.H. Prem from Langol, Laimanai, R.K. Ronald from Terasayang Lekai, and P.H. Naubi from Thangmaiban, Khongdram, Salungbam Lekai, allegedly carried out by the Indian Army. All Manipur Youth Protection Committee conducted a debate on instrument of accession of Manipur 11th August 1947 at Youth Hostel Kumalampak today. Speaking to media persons, former Director of Public Prosecutions Manipur, Ngangom Tej Kumar asserted that the instrument of accession is a legal document executed between the British Crown and the then independent princely state of Manipur. He said execution of the instrument of accession by the Government of India after its independence from the British to Manipur is not valid from the legal point of view.
Instrument of accession है मसी legal validity लेते because मसी की enforcement date जाओ दे close जाओ दे. Number 2 मसी ताउनर मिसी मतम दा dominant India British की मखाद ले रिबा India की viceroy अमगा मतम दुकी नहीं थोगा ताउनर जरा मनी बाबाने मधु ताउरे जो ratify तो गदा बनी करम कांदा India ने निंग तंबा 15 अगस्त की मतुंग दा India की लेबाग Union India lang matamda madu ratify tawgadabadu tawdabadu madu automatically madu instructions go phun thoi haibase aige maje legal view ni
ꯌꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯆꯦꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯔꯥ.
Helping Hand Group celebrated its 7th Foundation Day at GM Hall today. The event was held on a theme "We Trust God and Fight Against Poverty." MLA Tipaimu constituency Dr. Chauton Lian Amo also launched a money recurring saving policy on the occasion. The ruptured culvert on Mayai Lambi near Uchiwa along Imphal Wabagai has been repaired by authorities concerned following a report by Impact News on August 7. The damaged culvert has been mended and the road is safe for transportation once again. MLA Mangfa constituency and Deputy Speaker K. Robindro reportedly instructed relevant officials to repair the culvert. When Impact News visited the site today, inhabitants of the area expressed their appreciation to Impact News and for MLA K. Robindro. They further hope for the government and authorities concerned to broaden Mayai Lambi, which is a very significant area in the area.
Karbar se semdana leirambado akoigi impeki angangsing laktana sembi hapkiba haiba numitudagi akoi local area gi MLA akoi roisa Robindro na sembi duna asi phajana sembi basidaida akoi nungai ba phongdokjari aduga egi isa Robindro busu adi impact tv gi angangsing busu aina thagat ba phongdokjari.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA published the 21st issue of the quarterly journal Health for Future Volume 1 at their office in Konung Momang today. The journal sums up the insights of drug abuse and the ways to handle the repercussions as advised by experts in altogether 13 articles. The journal is said to be available at CADA office and bookstores across the state. Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association in a press release has appealed the government to include Thangta lecturers in the recruitment of 688 higher secondary school lecturers, considering the significance of the indigenous art form. Now the sports news. Sports kits were presented to coach KSH Raja by social worker Thongam Shanti today. 50 footballs and 20 game boots were presented to the coach of the ongoing under-13 and under-15 footballers grassroots football training at Ibudao Thangjing Residential Coaching Center in Moirang. Speaking on the sidelines, Thongam Shanti asserted that Manipur is famous all across the world for its culture and sports. She called on everyone to support the hard-working sports persons of the state. Secretary of Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, Mairembam Uttam Kumar, and Chief Advisor of the Front, Yumkhaiba Modhu, were among those present at the event. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. United Committee Manipur urges 60 state MLAs to take a joint decision for protection of state territorial integrity during an exclusive assembly session to be held on August 16. Security measures tighten in Imphal city ahead of India's Independence Day in the wake of several underground outfits boycotting the day. Tangkhul community protests killing of Kaishing Waishimre last night. TKLI demands government to arrest culprit within 48 hours. One-day stakeholders interface with bankers aims to ease financial plight of farmers and entrepreneurs by establishing cordial relation between banks and stakeholders. And 10-day-long 5th Pineapple Fair kicks off at Thayong village in Lamlai constituency today.